Yes, so my beautiful people, how na day? Today's Sunday. Happy Sunday to you all. Today na your first time of coming across my channel. I beg, just press that red button within that corner there. I beg. Now you know me now, I'm a humble boy, and I mean Samizi one of Africa, Samizi one of diaspora, Samizi one of anywhere we you call. Now me at the answer 247 for this channel. So Samizi Infotainment, we dey give you back to back. Ogbonge better news where you need, politics, entertainment, everything. Gbogbo we go match am, the way we see am. Now the way we see am, so we dey talk am. I make they call me talk am as you see am. Okay, my people, for this news of the day, we get so many things we want to talk about. Just try subscribe, not forget, I beg. Stay tuned at the end of the video. Drop your like if you like the video. Drop your comment if you want add to the video. With everything we are learning together. Okay, now my people, let's go straight to the reason why we are here. Aujourd'hui, on y va alors. Yes, so my people, as you know, our medicine we expect from Madagascar, it don't land the country. So, but our president, no that person that General Muhammadu Buhari, he don't talk one thing where I like. He say, but he go listen to scientists before he do any otherwise for this kind of matter. Now, so wisdom till the start. He get wisdom, he wise. He say he want listen to scientists first. Maybe they know, maybe they do the normal analysis on the medicine. So, as for him to know whether he will use the medicine for his citizen or not. Oh God. Now, clear for Mr. Kera. He took care, I beg. Over care, they worry you. Over care, they worry you, oh God. He love his citizen die 247. He deal with now. He deal with us. He deal with us. He deal with us. He get brain. But now that don't see they do the run quick analysis on this matter. So they want to know how the medicine take how it take make them for stamp and they stamp and they begin to use them. And our president for Madagascar, another person that Rajoelina, he don't talk say this medicine now 10 days. Within 10 days, patient where they use them for. He don't some, he don't wear that. So like this, so now president now we dey wait. President himself we dey wait. In dey wait for NAFDAC. Once NAFDAC run the gbogbo finish, president give go ahead. Before 1 month, maybe everywhere go sengemenge. Everybody go heal for the land. And that one we call breakthrough and healing. As you see and so. This medicine, the way the doctor they talk about this medicine, if our guy they talk, they consider say it no work for this one. We Madagascar say it don't work. So now we say we need to change some kind geographical food mutations. No eat food where they eat so that it will work for us. If it work, we'll know the way we'll advertise the medicine. Sham, better style, without no analog or digital testing. Alright, my people, let's go straight to the other news. Okay, President Andry Rajoelina of Madagascar, he don't boss out. The guy that defend this herbal medicine in a way where they say sense. It make sense on one side, they make sense on one side to some people we don't know the kind of sense where they talk about. So the man don't boss out say even WHO, we will not know World Health Organization, he said they don't offer a country $20 million just to poison this COVID-19 organics where their country don't found. You see where you see say Mago now from the top. People who see say na them be oga for health issues. They see as far as say this Rajoelina doctor say this medicine work for the country. Now World Health Organization right to go investigate that matter. They will use them for patients. No be only medicine will come from obodo abroad. Now will they follow? You understand? So Africans will get better medicine. All those herbal some people even they use a bawolo or they cook soup self your way. All those one are medicine too. You understand? But the way the man don't take the defend this medicine. If this medicine don't work, go fit defend it like that. Based on they know they regard their country now. Say they come out for another kind of 63 poorest country. So they not believe say better things go fit come out for them. This kind of thing don't happen a long time ago. They say where for you say Bible. They say where that good thing will come out for Jerusalem. Now there and Jesus will come. Jesus ball out a good thing and come out for them. So people where they doubt this thing or gas at the top for medical issues, where they doubt this medicine, and I suppose give them a trial before doubting. Nobody will not just see Africa finish like that, say but anything they come out for them. Anything they come out for them. But now they collect gold, now they collect mineral resources. So this medicine so now suppose just stamp may all this death may stop, unless they wanna get another assignment when I want to use this coronavirus they achieve first, because the way this man wey do head like Ethiopia man, so the way he did it talk sometimes for television, I don't understand you, I don't understand you at all. So my people, the way this man don't even come out for international channel wey they call France 24, he don't defend this medicine, defend it. If you never look the video, oh yeah, come and see you.
Tous les essais et tests de ce premier remède ont été menés et son efficacité dans la réduction et l'élimination des symptômes a été prouvée pour le traitement des patients atteints du Covid-19 à Madagascar.
We just see the man don't defend back to back the way he go take defend this medicine. If you don't know, say this medicine not good, you not go defend that the way they defend. So my people, let's go straight to the other news. Okay, my people, now don't see one kind something where they trend now for internet since how many hours ago. Get one Romeo, they fight for one Juliet, and one other Jacques from Titanic. they fight for one Juliet. Good. Jacques be the fight for Rosso, Romeo they fight for Juliet, but now Jacques and Romeo they fight for one Juliet Rose. If you never watch the video, my people, oh yeah, come and see you.
Èmi máa record yín ni kò sí tó kọ́ mi o, Facebook ya. No problem. Two of them, they are fighting because of a woman. Àwọn méjèèjì fighting because of obìnrin. Wọ́n níṣẹ́ tó máa níṣẹ́ gidi wọn ni máa jà because of obìnrin. Ẹ̀ ń jà lórí obìnrin. Two of them fighting because of obìnrin.
I don't see happy for this generation who dey so you see people they fight for woman, they fight for love. You see, and the woman yourself with the one corner and yourself with the observe, say, but they observe herself as a celebrity. They are fighting for me. And people think they happen for Nigeria. I beg, we'll go straight to the other news. Our Kenan Ebe for Nigeria, if you don't know that, our cat and rat we will get for Nigeria. Only there are two and they rain every time, every season. They get season, and that season they come in 4 years. And inside that 4 years, they use themselves. If you never know them, and they'll be this PDP and APC. PDP member don't boss us say they give federal government, which is Muhammadu Buhari, so who now they see for you. They give them 48 hours to provide all those medical personnel we enter the country from Asia, where they say they be doctor. They never see them since then. They don't give them 48 hours to provide them. But inside the matter, so the man even told say before those people, before they come Nigeria, we get 200 waiting cases. We get 254 cases for Nigeria. We get 44 recoveries where our Nigeria doctor don't by themselves treat, and only 6 people they don't by that time. But now since they don't come, all these people they use us to play politics. Now they want to put blame for APC so that people go see love PDP. Where PDP goes, APC goes still play their own part. People go still want to go APC. You know, see the way that they do Tusking and Tusking. They do us Tusking and Tusking. So they say now we don't get 5,450 cases. 171 people don't buy for the matter. So they give our president Muhammadu Buhari, say they will hold her accountable for this uprise of coronavirus, and they give her 48 hours. You hear waiting your twins brother they tell you so. And say they give 48 hours to provide all those medical people. Okay, where they can go? If truly they be doctor, where they can go? Even Nigeria health personnel, where we know as number 1 for Nigeria, where they do all those health issues, where they say you even go Nnamdi Azikiwe wey go receive them from hospital Dr. Enere. They don't even ask am, say e no know though, e no see them, e no know where they go. Okay, PDP doctor say now, okay, if you no know where they go, now be some of those people, they not be doctor, they get another inner cabal, secret cabal shows where they come run for the country. Say if they not be doctor, they get another thing where they come do for the country. So they want our federal government, Buhari, may provide all those people in the next 48 hours, may they know their whereabouts, may they not put the life of citizens at risk. Say the way this matter come dey now, Buhari, they make us the citizen, not they trust again. All of una be waiting, una be one. Buhari do, PDP do, una be one. If to say una two will also give us chance for that country chance go dey. May all those people where they get 1 vote, those people where they get 2 votes, may them win. We will know where we dey. Even if you can't come out with all this kind of thing, or those things are truth on your way. But if you can't come out, you will sit down, right? This kind can't come out, can't talk this kind of matter. So if you still dey power, you will still do the one we pass all this one, because you know be king and Ebe. You know be king. You know one key Ebe will be Nigeria citizen. Now that one I deal now, man. I'm God no go green for now. So like this, so if you know person way, if you know any person way resemble Chinese man, go ask him whether he join the doctor wey enter the country. Go ask him any Chinese man wey you see, ask him whether he join the doctors wey come from Asia, come treat people for Nigeria. But till now we not see them. Whether they kidnap them, whether another matter they can't do, whether they don't buy them hide, whether they inside Buhari cupboard, we don't know. Well, anybody wey see Chinese people for Nigeria, more gonna ask them, gonna tell them say PDP they find them. So they want use them, they want ask their questions. So they go, so media accept to PDP. Okay, my people, let's go straight to the other news. Okay, my people, una know for this entertainment industry, we get one lady with one girl woman. What we will call her a girl woman. We still dey front line for entertainment industry for Nigeria. So no other person that she was savage. Now this girl woman, she's 40 years old now. This girl woman. So she don't bust out for interview where she get with BBC. Say this a new album where they come. Say she no will get choice, so she feel fall out without no, you know, understand. With every ogbolobo will show everything we want to see for her body, go show everything where they make people they call her ping pong, everything. She say she feel show una everything. Based on she want to remain the boss as #1 for the countryside. She say she wants to show to everybody, say, but she still fine. Say she still be the boss. Say she still beautiful. And she still be African as well. Thank you, madam. Thank you, because you know, see, you know, if you go to say you want to say go buy a party, shoot your video. You say you want to go naked. Ask me what your nakedness go add to people account. You know, day. So, una way they shoot video safe. Best tell you say you want naked, maybe you shoot that video. Tell her say your camera not the work for that kind of video. Even you self, even the happy self, you want shoot video now. Even the happy, you want see what you want see. But all these things, we una they do so. Una remember say, it gets some kind of children even below age of 10, below age of 15, where they look up to now as mentor. Once you see that thing, you go put her for brain. You go once you do one if she don't blow or the person don't blow. Una they exaggerate with una body where they not plaster well. Una they want to show waiting no they relevant to society. And if they play that video one day now for online for TV, children go there they look waiting they're not supposed to see. All those ones are called child abuse. So my people who know this woman, may tell her say that idea may cancel her. All those ones they call it do me no. That address, that idea, so may she cancel her because it's not shown. Let's go straight to the other news. Our Nigeria electrical and electricity and all those electrical people where they say fan, where they say what they don't know. They don't boss out. They say make federal government make it adopt the 5G. Make Nigeria, make them for not leave Nigeria for back for this ongoing globalization of technologizations. So as they don't talk, say make they accept 5G. wey una no know wetin 5G dey do. It is say 5G na dey do farm. It is say na 5G na dey do all those small radio wey dey sell for your shop. I pity you. They say the radiation say na so the thing dey safe, na so e dey safe, e dey more easy to use, e dey more faster to use. Who wan even give you the data wey you wan use? All those MTN wey you subscribe 1 month, e don finish for 1 week. Na that one you want to use 5G. You know wetin be radiation. They don put you for inside microwave before. They will put you for inside one room. They will put you for just do one big microwave wey go size you, mo fry you. Make you know wetin be radiation. This is not because say you get fan for your store, you get one fan from left, you get one fan from right where they blow you. You all carry sit down say you need 5G. Say because you be person. I bet federal government the way they don't tell you before, you just listen. The way they don't tell you before now say, may you first suspend this 5G. You know you even suspend that. You just terminate the contract. Say, but we don't need that. Even better countries for Western world, they don't cancel that thing for their land based on they know the disadvantage wey dey go with am. Yes, e good o, e dey safe, e dey browse well well, dey browse, e dey very fast. Wetin you suppose download 1 hour, you download am for 3 seconds or 5 seconds. Na good thing, but life wey dey at risk for the back. All those one, if you don enter, na kpamurege o. You know people wey go follow am, na kpamurege. So una wey dey talk say una need the 5G, I take God beg una manage 4G wey una get. If una wan make e dey faster, now go make MTN, make the strong or Glow, make they do their data make strong. You know, if you use them, and 4G, we dey use 4G for one side, for this side. Why I don't fit tell you? It dey fast when they use them normal life. So now you all do say that you want sabi speak English. Come go dey tell our president. Even say the man, he go hear this one because waiting not to balance. And then they put hand. So I better not point for that thing with that electrician talk because that electrician don't know what they do. Your face is coronavirus first, the way you talk, may everywhere balance. Okay, my people, let's go straight to the other news. Don't mind this electrical people. My people, now here we'll stop for today. I remain your humble boy, Samizi, one of Africa and diaspora. You see, I be African. I'm proud to be. I don't bleach my skin. Melanin popping. Everywhere is suburban. Today, now your first time to come across my channel. Just do me one favor. Don't let them pass one. If you pass only today, I not go ask you again. Just come out for that red button. Let me get the red tie. Maybe you can know the color of red. See how you dey corner for there. Just tap it. Then I be the subscription button. Get one go away, follow and there. That's it. Take the push for radio in the morning. Up there. Press some. And that will be notification button. And to those who don't subscribe, I beg. I say thank you. God bless you. Keep on following Samizi Infotainment, and we go use better news where they relevant. Stay bombard your YouTube. I beg. Till the next time, we'll see for another video. I beg. Stay safe.